Hey guys, Miss Basil here. It is Tuesday, April 21st. So today you are starting off your math lesson. So Tuesday and Thursday are math lessons. So on Tuesdays and Thursdays, you're going to get on to Miss Collins and my Google Classrooms. I'm going to go through kind of a really quick rundown of what you are expected to do today. You need to watch this video first before you ask questions, okay? Make sure you watch this video first. I'm going to use Miss Collins's math Google Classroom because she is the one that's going to be posting everything tomorrow. So the video that you are currently watching, you will find under the introduction. So that's what you're currently watching. You have 6 activities, but don't be alarmed. They are not that complicated, and they will not be longer than the 2 hours that you are allowed to work. So don't stress about the amount of assignments. You need to start, we have them numbered in the correct order. You need to start with activity number 1. It's adding tenths and hundredths. There is a video that we have attached. Watch the video first, then you can open up the assignment. Okay, that's the first activity. Then you have a second activity. Watch the video first, then do the assignment. That's the second activity. And then the third activity is comparing. So you need to watch the video first, then do the assignment. Activities 3, 4, and 5 are all comparing decimals and fractions. So 3, 4, and 5 kind of all go together. And then activity 6 is kind of an overview of all of fractions and decimals. So activity 6 is kind of reviewing the whole thing after you're done. So again, you have 6 activities. You need to do them in order, 1 through 6. Activity 6 is adding tenths and hundredths, and then you have the activity. In activity 1, sorry. Activity 2 is converting decimals to fractions. And then activity 3 is comparing decimals. And then 3, 4, and 5 kind of all are the same thing. They're all comparing decimals. And then activity 6 is kind of a review of all fractions and decimals. So that is your directions for today, Tuesday. If you don't finish them, then that's Thursday to finish any of the assignments that you did not finish today for Tuesday. Don't feel like you need to finish all of this work today. We're giving it to you today to kind of do when you feel like you can get it accomplished. If you do a couple hours today and then a couple hours on Thursday, that will be fine. All of this work is due on Friday, so make sure you're working on all of that. I believe that is it for today. We will also add a Zoom for 12 o'clock today. If you feel like you have questions that you need to ask, that's what the Zooms are for. If you don't have any questions to ask about anything, then don't feel like you need to join the Zooms. And then, so any activities that you did not finish for the week of April 14th, they need to be finished. So you had these 3 activities here. Make sure that they look gray. Once you've turned in an activity or an assignment, it won't be pink anymore. It'll be like a light gray. So make sure you're turning in those 3 assignments. Me and Ms. Collins decided that we're going to get rid of all of the old math assignments. We still have your grades and we already have the participation kind of charted down, but we're going to get rid of these activities from your Google Classroom because we're seeing a lot of students are coming in and starting down here when really you should be starting with the week that you are currently on. So please start with April 20th. And if you have time, then you can go back to the week of April 14th. I hope that helps and it makes sense. Please watch this video. And if you have any questions, then please feel free to ask them. So